The voltage arc length of a DC source, DC means direct current, DC source is given by V is equal to 20 plus 4L volts. So here V is equal to 20 plus 4L volts. Okay, so unit of voltage is volts. Okay, so anyhow here this equation is called voltage arc length, voltage arc length characteristic. So this equation is called voltage arc length characteristic. Okay, so equation ni voltage arc length characteristic anta. Okay na, V is equal to 20 plus 4L volts. Here V for voltage and what is L? L means arc length. L means arc length. Okay, let's complete the question. So where L is equal to length of the arc in mm, the arc length is expected to vary. Arc length expected to vary between 4 mm and 6 mm. So here L is arc length. So here initial arc length is 4 mm and final arc length is equals to 6 mm. So it varies from 4 mm to 6 mm. So minimum arc length 4 mm. Maximum maximum arc length 6 mm. So initial and final, minimum and maximum values are given, arc length values. Next, and it is designed to limit the current in the range 450 to 550 amperes. So current denoted by I. I is equal to current in amperes. In amperes. So anyhow here current varies from 450 amperes to 550 amperes. Okay, now we can vary in the range 450 amperes to 550 amperes. Okay, next, assuming a linear power source characteristic. Assuming a linear power source characteristic. So what is linear power source characteristic? Linear power source characteristic. So linear power source characteristic. So linear power source characteristic is V by OCV plus I by SCC is equal to 1. So this equation is called linear power source characteristic. So the name antam linear power source characteristic equation antam deni. Okay, so this is arc length, voltage arc length characteristic. Using these two formulas we can solve this problem actually. So anyhow what is V? Here V means arc voltage. Arc voltage. What is I? I for arc current. I for arc current. Okay. Next, OCV. OCV means open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage. And what is SCC? SCC means short circuit current. Short circuit current. Okay. So next, here we have L1 and L2. L1, okay na. So arc length varies from 4 mm to 6 mm. So for arc length L1 is equal to 4 mm. What is the voltage? Okay na. So to produce this much arc length, what is the required voltage? So మనం ఎంత వోల్టేజ్ ఇస్తే ఈ ఆర్క్ లెంత్ మనకి ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది, ఇంత ఆర్క్ లెంత్ అనేది వస్తుంది మనకి వెల్డింగ్ లో. సో యూజింగ్ దిస్ రిలేషన్ V1 is equal to 20 plus 4L1. Okay, now V1 is equal to 20 plus 4 into what is L1? 4. 4 4s are 16. 20 plus 16, 36 volts. 36 volts. This is V1. And what about V2? So here V2 is voltage required to maintain arc length 6 mm. So 20 plus 4L2. Now 20 plus 4 into L2 how much? L2 is 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 20, 44 mm. So not mm, sorry, voltage na. So volts, 44 volts. So this much voltage required to produce this much arc. Okay, na? 6 mm. So in last step we have got V1 is equal to voltage V1 is equal to 36 volts and voltage V2 is equal to 44 volts. So to produce arc length L1 is equal to arc length of 4 mm, we have to supply this much voltage, and at the same time to produce L2 is equal to 6 mm arc length. Okay, na? In order to produce 6 mm arc length we need 44 volts. Okay, so next we need current I1 and I2. So here what is I1 and what is I2? We have minimum value 450 amperes, maximum value 550 amperes. So this step is very crucial. See, we have a concept. In general, if current increases, arc length decreases. Okay, if current decreases, arc length increases. So remember, arc length is inversely proportional to current. Arc length is inversely proportional to current. Okay, na? So to produce here L1 is equal to 4 mm, L2 is equal to 6 mm. Here current varies from 450 amperes to 550 amperes. Okay, at a higher current we get less arc length. Okay, minimum arc length. At a lower current we get maximum arc length. So it means to produce this much arc length, to produce maximum arc length, we have to provide minimum current. So to produce maximum arc length, to develop maximum arc length, we have to supply minimum power. So here for L2, what is the value of I2? I2 is 450 amperes. అంటే మనకి ఆర్క్ లెంత్ ఎక్కువ రావాలంటే, లెంత్ అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉండాలంటే కరెంట్ అనేది తక్కువ సప్లై చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు రివర్స్. టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ మినిమం ఆర్క్ లెంత్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సప్లై maximum power. So 550 amperes. So we have all quantities V1, V2, I1, I2. Okay, and also we have linear power source characteristic. So what we need to find. So assuming a linear power source characteristic determine open circuit voltage and short circuit current of the power source. So at last we have to find two parameters. One is open circuit voltage and the second question is short circuit current, OCV and SCC. We need OCV and SCC, and we have V1, V2 and I1, I2. So I'm going to use this formula, linear power source characteristic. So clearly mentioned in the question, assuming a linear power source characteristic determine the open circuit voltage and the short circuit current of the power source. So ee formula use cheskoni, okay na, ee data ni manamu substitution cheste we can find by plugging all these values we can find OCV and SCC. Let's see how. From linear power source characteristic, V by OCV plus I by SCC is equal to 1. Okay, so now we can write two more formulas from this formula. I mean two more equations from this formula. See, using V1 and I1, we can write it as V1 by OCV plus I1 by SCC is equal to 1, and using V2 and I2, V2 by OCV plus I2 by SCC is equal to 1. By plugging all the values, V1 is equal to how much? 36 by OCV plus I1 how much? 550 by SCC is equal to 1. Similarly, put V2 is equal to 44 by OCV plus I2 is equal to 450 by SCC is equal to 1. Now by solving, let it be equation number 1 and equation number 2. By solving equation 1 and equation 2, we can find OCV and SCC. Okay, first of all, let's see what is the LCM of 36 and 44. Find LCM of 36 and 44. LCM of 36, 44. Okay, so 36, 44 LCM we need. So let us consider two tables, 2 18s, 2 22s are. Okay, next 2 9s are, 2 11s are, and 3 tables, 3 3s and 11. Again 3 tables, 3 1s 11, again 11th table. Okay, now multiply. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 3 into 3 9. 4 9s are 36. 36 into 11. 36 11s are how much? 396. So LCM of 36 and 44 is 396. 36 and 44 is 396. And remember, 36 11s are 396 and 44 9s are 396. So 396 is the least common multiple of 36 and 44. Now we have to convert 36 in this equation. We have to convert 36 into 396 and 44 into 396. Why? Into convert cheyali. So if we convert 36 into 396 and 44 into 396, then we can cancel this 396 by OCV and 396 by OCV. Then we can find SCC, short circuit current. అంటే ముందు ఈ ఎలిమినేట్ ఈ ఓసీవీ టర్మ్స్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎస్సీసీ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఫస్ట్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ మనం చేసే ఆపరేషన్ ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు మల్టిప్లై ఈక్వేషన్ 1 by 11 and equation 2 by 9. సో ఈక్వేషన్ 1 ఏమో 11 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, ఈక్వేషన్ 2 నేమో 9 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకే, so multiply equation number 1 by 11. You will get 36 into 11 396 by OCV plus 36 into 550. So 36 into 550. Not 36, sorry. 11 into 550. So we have to multiply equation number 1 by 11. So 11 into 36 396 and 11 into 550. So 100 555 and 55. You will get 6050. 6050. by SCC. SCC is equal to 11 ones 11. Multiply equation 2 by 9. Equation 1 by 11 both sides, and here equation 2 by 9. 9 into 44 396 by OCV plus 450 into 9 900 9 5 45 4 9 4 36 4 40. So 4050 by SCC is equal to 9. Okay, now these two are like terms. Okay, now subtract. So 396 by OCV, 396 by OCV get cancelled. Now 6050 minus 1 by SCC, 6050 minus 4050 is equal to 11 minus 9 2. 1 by SCC, 6050 minus 40 into 4050 2000 is equal to 2. 2 ones 2000. Transpose SCC. Therefore SCC is equal to short circuit voltage is equal to how much? 1000 amperes is equal to 1000 amperes. Next we have to find OCV. So short circuit current is equal to 1000 amperes. Next, to find OCV, open circuit voltage, so we can use either equation 1 or equation 2. Here I am using equation 1. So 36 by, we don't know OCV, plus 550 by SCC is equal to how much? We got 1000 amperes is equal to 1. Now transpose, so 0 0 get cancelled. Okay, still 5 11s and 5 20s. Transpose 11 by 20. So 11 by OCV is equal to 1 minus plus 11 by 20 becomes negative 11 by 20. 21s are 20. 20 minus 11 9. So 9 by 20. 36 by OCV. Now 9 ones and 9 fours. Now apply cross multiplication. OCV into 1, OCV is equal to 24s are 80. Therefore open circuit voltage is 80 volts. and short circuit current is 1000 amperes. 1000 amperes. So these two are final answers.